So I took a walk up the ramp here, the Portland Bridge, pedestrian bridge, and 311 finally came and cleaned up the mess here. Very happy with that. I followed up again with them. I think it was like 9 days later after I reported it. I said there's actually a whole turkey in the pile of garbage, like raw in the packaging. So anyway, thought I'll do a little follow-up. So it's nice and clean on this end. I'm gonna see how it's gonna look the other end. And I got my groceries here. Can't see the CN Tower tonight. Hidden in the clouds. Something's going down. We got some fire trucks coming along here. That's Bathurst. So they are turning in here. Going down over there. I heard a bunch of trucks, fire trucks. Oh, I thought my buggy in the middle. Alright. I'm gonna walk down holding my phone and recording. Just see if I can manage this. I'm going to check out the other side because I did say the whole bridge needed a good sweep. So, oh my shopping cart.
No, but like actively send food back. That's not something that would be nice to them, you know? Like, it's not.
I call this the Portland Bridge because the actual name for the bridge is in French. I don't speak the French language, so Puente de, I don't know, something like that. See, I don't want to even attempt to try to speak French, but I will add it. I've added in the descriptions for the other videos, so that I've covered this bridge before. So I hope they did this end too, because it's a shame if they just did that. Yeah, it looks like they just did that side of the bridge. Oh, maybe they did. We just got leaves. I think so, because there was a little bit of garbage accumulating on this side too. So it's a good thing. it's a good thing to call 311. Well, for Toronto, I don't know if you're watching from another city, country, whatever. If you have, the government has a number that you should call and report things that look out of place. Gotta do our part to keep your own city beautiful, right? So just a little shout out for our Toronto's 311 city cleanup. You report it, and you know, it may take, it won't happen in like 24 hours unless it's like an emergency or whatever. So this one took a second. I had to call in. I emailed the first time around with the pictures, took pictures, and I emailed it. I got a reply right away, which was nice. But then I had to call 9 days later because I came by this area again just to see, and it was still not cleaned up. So the second report I called it in, and then I waited, I guess, I don't know how long after that. Figured I was coming in this area, so let's see how it goes. And they cleaned it up, so that's a good thing. And I walked down Portland, and I reported potholes or uneven roads because I almost wiped out again on my bike. And since I reported the second time around for the bridge, since I was on the line, I just said I'm reporting a second report on the road because it's still nothing. There was no markers or nothing, so I'll keep an eye on that one. So anyway, just wanted to follow up, give a shout out to 311 for their fast, prompt cleanup. That's it for now. See you in the next one.